Yesterday we arrived at the place inside where we are already empowered. This is the true self. Accessing the true self is a choice we make when we embrace living in the present moment. Ignoring our ever-present awareness is a habit, a lifelong habit perhaps, but still only a habit that can be undone. Once we choose to live in the now, the true self is recognized and appreciated. The next step is clarity, which means no longer existing with confusion, doubt, fear, and inner conflicts. Self-power is always simple and clear, and today this clarity will begin to dawn, revealing possibilities you never expected. Welcome to day 3. Power begins with clarity. Here's a truth most people don't even dare to consider. We have the power to change anything in our lives. The reason we find ourselves stuck and frustrated is because of a lack of clarity about our true self. When we see clearly that we are pure, unbounded awareness, then all of our thoughts and actions are empowered with the unlimited support of nature. When we live in the now, we understand with simple certainty that we are not constrained by habits from the past or expectations and fears of the future. This clarity in the moment gives us the power to guide our life in the direction that we truly want. When we do not see ourselves clearly, we believe we are the limited changing body and the stream of transitory thoughts and feelings in the mind. The ego stands for that limited self. Therefore, its desires come from a place of lack. When you feel a lack in yourself, automatically you think, I need more. And yet there is never enough to fill the lack. More money, comfort, praise, possessions, or physical pleasures can never substitute for the inner fulfillment of your true self. The present moment is always a state of fulfillment. That's the first point we must be clear about. This natural state of fulfillment within is something we are all born knowing. Becoming unclear on this point took time to happen, over a span of years since we were children. The disconnect from our true self began when a set of typical beliefs became part of our internal belief system, such as power means forcing your will on others. I don't have the ability. I am better off just doing what's expected from me. There is safety in conformity. These beliefs unconsciously seep into almost everyone's mind, both from society and from the example of people around us. We need to break away from this old belief system to adopt a new one, where self-empowerment isn't about having a strong will or coming from a place of coercion, force, anger, or violence. The second point of clarity is recognizing that our inner power is harmonious and supportive. It welcomes the best outcome for all, which only pure awareness can do. Born with the potential for infinite possibilities, we fell into doubt and uncertainty once we identified with the ego and its built-in insecurity. In this way, daily life becomes predictable and routine. We feel safer behind boundaries than exposed to the whole of life. But the whole of life is the whole of ourselves. Only when we know our essence is complete does life become complete. And only when we know our true self as safety and security itself will we feel safe and secure in life. That's the third and ultimate point of clarity. As we prepare to meditate together, let's take a moment to consider our centering thought. I am clear that anything is in my power to change. I am clear that anything is in my power to change. Now let's prepare for our meditation. Make yourself comfortable and close your eyes. Begin to be aware of your breath and just breathe slowly and deeply. With each breath, allow yourself to become more deeply relaxed. Now, gently introduce the mantra Ahrah, Kahrah. Ahrah, Kahrah. This mantra awakens the energy of creativity, transformation, and materialization. Repeat it silently to yourself. Ahrah, Kahrah. Ahrah, Kahrah. Ahrah, Kahrah. With each repetition, feel your body, mind, and spirit open into an expanded state of awareness. Whenever you find yourself distracted by thoughts, noises, or physical sensations, simply return your attention to silently repeating the mantra. Ahrah, Kahrah. Ahrah, Kahrah. Ahrah, Kahrah. Please continue with your meditation. I'll mind the time and you'll hear a soft bell at the beginning and end of the meditation. Ahrah, Kahrah. Ahrah, Kahrah. Ahrah, Kahrah. It's time to release the mantra. Continue to sit restfully, inhaling and exhaling slowly. When you feel ready, gently open your eyes. As you continue with your day, contemplate this centering thought. I am clear that anything is in my power to change. I am clear that anything is in my power to change. Namaste.